Aztec Beard Co. Finally. Been wanting to do it, but I just hadn't pulled the trigger. And then J Cruz's affiliate code was worth, I think, 20 or 20% off. But yeah, I had to jump on it. I think it was like 20, 25% off.
That's more of a reason not to do it, though. Do you really want to see J Cruz up on screen again going, "Let's go! You used it! Let's go!"
The one guy, you gotta put the butter on the skin, or you get the hose.
I say that with nothing but love, by the way. I just love messing with J Cruz.
Totally.
Oh, yeah. This is J Cruz. Sorry I'm late, so let's go. Come on. Hit it up. With all his sound effects.
Those sound effects are hilarious.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Hey, Scott.
Sezzle, yeah, Scott, that's what I'm saying. They do have Sezzle, yep. Alright, this has been a long time coming, so I'm excited.
Well, I'm starting up my YouTube channel, so right now I'm working on the review for the damn Yankees stuff I got.
Nice.
So
that's awesome.
That'll be my first video I put up.
Hell yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. And then
I'm in the process. I'm in the process of ruining my channel, and I'm doing pretty good. I lose subscribers daily. My view count goes down. I'm doing good.
Oh, goodness.
Dude, good. Always wanted to destroy my own channel. Hashtag goals. Hashtag facts. Hashtag 100%.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, so you got
hashtag facts.
The beard wash.
Okay. What scent, though?
Mystico. So it's amber, tobacco, and cedarwood.
Okay.
Oh, what's up, Diablo? All right, let's see.
Diablo, congratulations, buddy. just got engaged.
What are we congratulating Diablo for?
He got engaged.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
She couldn't say no to that smile.
Peanut
She couldn't say no to a smile. She's like, of course.
fresca, butter.
Okay.
This is one of the new summer scents: pineapple, pear, coconut, and sandalwood.
Oh, you know Joe's gonna hate it.
Joe, close your ears.
God damn it. What the hell is wrong with you?
Earmuffs, Joe. Put the earmuffs.
What is wrong with you? Did you not see the rant?
I did see the rant.
Pineapple and beard products.
Glorious. You can, Joe, so this is for you. Glorious is like, you can have me on your channel and it will crumble to the ground.
There's Classico in the butter, which is
How about to crumble to the ground from heat stroke? Yeah. Oh my God.
Food and cologne.
I still got, while you're doing that, I still got to open up my weather beer.
Ooh. I mean, we're here anyway. Feel free.
Yeah, well, I don't want to take away from what you're doing right now. So wait.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, so you can, I'll finish this up and then you can see what you think.
Yeah, let me open up all my beard mail. I don't have any.
Hey, this is first thing I got in a while, but I gotta thank Corey for sending.
I'm gonna just stand here in the shade for about 10 minutes.
Fair.
God.
See Scott, who lives in a pineapple under the sea, not Joe.
F
go.
that pineapple and F that sea.
Hey, Glorious, you gotta drink your coffee out of a bag like the milk. He was so hooked on that he couldn't get over it.
It's so funny. Like when Tyler, Woolly Wizard, and I talked about that, like on Beard Oil Roulette a few weeks ago. Mm-hmm. Kyle was mind blown, and ever since then he's slowly becoming Canadian, and it's hilarious to watch.
I gotta get on that roulette. I was supposed to message him, but I was gone.
Oh, it's so much fun.
It's a cool idea. I like it.
Yeah.
But yeah, Jordan.
Yeah.
You gotta get Bayou Black.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Noted. We got Classico wash, 8-ounce wash, as I think washes should be. I like it. Do you guys have a preference on like beard wash, like whether it's 4-ounce or 8-ounce, or does it not really matter?
I thought it mattered, but the reality is, if a wash is made right, even if it's a 4-ounce wash, it can last you a really long time.
Yeah, that is a good point. Oh, what's up, Mo?
I don't like the waste, so because there's so much stuff out there, I stick to a 4-ounce to see if I like it or not.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with an 8-ounce, but I'm not a scent wash person. I like unscented washes.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. So I don't think I'll never buy a scented wash. Yeah,
Fair.
that's a cool bag.
This is super cool.
Mo, what's going on? Here, for Mo, I'll take off my shirt. No, just kidding.
Oh man, that's funny.
I'm not saying hi to Mo just because I want to be different.
then say, hey, Mo.
Ooh.
Mo looks as
sticker.
young as you when he's clean shaven. Holy cow.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I was waiting for him to go to Walmart and buy some new books and pencil cases to get ready for school on how young you look.
It's so true though. It's like when I saw the picture right after he shaved, I was like, whoa.
The one thing I want to know is, Mo, are you okay from falling off that scooter
Oh
thing?
yeah, that was brutal.
Like, are you okay? Because that did not look like it was a good fall.
Yeah, for real. I was
So,
like,
I don't believe in laughing at people till I know they're okay. But I was assuming since he posted the video, he was fine. So yeah, I laughed.
Yeah.
I laughed a lot.
I think
feel
he
like
was in
he
more
was-
pain when he was waiting 30 minutes at the McDonald's drive-thru
Yeah.
than the fall.
Mo's going to get ID'd at the store for sure. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Like, I've gone into restaurants and like ordered alcohol and never been ID'd once, and it's like that's why I'm never shaving, because it's just easier. Like, yeah. And we got the oils. Get this last little piece of tape off.
I'm too hairy to get ID'd. I look like I'm like a werewolf getting like halfway through the transformation stage of how hairy I am. So
It's yeah. All right, sweet. So let's check these out. So we got Mystico, which is amber, tobacco, and cedarwood, Texas. And this is the ostrich oil blend. Because love me some ostrich.
Ooh, Joe loves ostrich oil.
Yeah, it's just great. Like,
I got 280 pounds worth of fat to protect me. I'm good. Thanks for asking. My elbow was sore for a day, but that's about it. Well, that's no more hoverboards for me.
yeah.
Well, it's good that you're okay, Mo. I'm glad that you didn't get seriously hurt. But yeah, those things look dangerous. Mike Tyson fell on one too, so don't feel bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is.
I will never, ever put my unbalanced self on a hoverboard. It won't happen.
Same here. Heck no.
I'm like, why go on a hoverboard when I can walk? But then those
Yeah.
people are like, why walk when you could be on a hoverboard?
That's cool label.
Although
That is
I can see
cool.
what they're saying today. If I had a hoverboard to float me back and forth, it would be nice.
Glorious. Just go to official Beard Life Shark. He posted it on his IG.
Yeah, just click on Mo's profile there. And then this is Classico, which is citrus, bay rum, amber, oud, and cologne.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Definitely fresh. Yeah, nice. I like that a lot.
Diablo, I got to hold off on that one right now. Just having some difficulties, but it will be coming. It will be. Don't you worry. Yeah.
All right. And then the summer scent here, Pina Fresca. Let's see. Ooh,
What I want to know is,
that's pretty.
my
all right.
birthday's this weekend. Will the madness be making an appearance for me?
Well, I guess I have to now.
Well,
It's
that
kind
was
of
the point.
required.
That was the point. That's my way of asking.
That was the point.
Yeah,
There
so
you go.
I guess he has to show up. Yeah.
I'm from Jersey. Don't ask for things. We corner you into a situation and then be like, "Oh, you're so nice. Thank you."
Yeah.
2 ounce fighters, by the way.
Mo, he's
What do you
unboxed. We just did, or Jordan just did Mike Cat Whiskers, and now he's doing Aztec.
Yeah, funny enough, I woke up this morning, checked my phone, and they were both out for delivery. And I was like, nice.
Speaking of unboxing, did anybody see the awesome shirt I got from my amazing girlfriend yesterday?
Yeah.
Listen up, Snapperhead. That thing
I
was
feel like I
awesome.
did. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, another cool sticker as well. plus the beard wash and Mystico and Classico. Yeah, lots of even more things to test out. Also, I love this bag that the oils came in.
Yeah.
That's really, really cool. Like that's like a nice fabric, like cool
See,
colors.
Jordan, you weren't born yet, but back in the 80s and early 90s, hammer pants used to look like that. They did.
That's wild.
They had those pants that looked like that.
Yeah, it's about 11 a.m. Mo.
He said you weren't born, but back in the late 80s, early 90s.
Yeah, that is a fact.
Back in the day.
I don't know, man. Like, obviously, I didn't grow up in any era, but growing up in the 80s and early 90s was amazing. It was such a good time to grow up.
It was amazing.
Yeah. We weren't glued to our phones, and we actually still went outside. As you can see, Joe still holds up to that tradition.
Yep.
I wish I didn't.
Yeah, Jesus, thanks for coming in. I think Mudcat was still in here, so appreciate both of you guys for coming in here. Shout out to Mudcat Whiskers for hooking this stuff up, and then finally able to try Aztec. So,
You got to let me know what you think of Aztec. I haven't decided if I should pull the trigger or not.
I mean, so far I've heard nothing but good things, but I'll definitely let you know.
Yeah, I had, what was
really
it,
cool
Classico and Tequila Wood.
Yep.
I got in on a trade. Tequila Wood, the girlfriend absolutely loved Tequila Wood. She's like, you can wear that every day if you want.
Yep. Yeah, that one sounds good.